Hello everyone, welcome to Talented Developer. If you're trying to type here anything or search here anything, but you notice that your search is not working. So in this video, we are going to fix this issue. So first of all, this issue is mainly due to CTF-mon. So what you can do, you have to press Windows plus R and you need to copy paste this line. So all the commands I have already mentioned in the description, and after that you need to click OK. Now you can go and trying to search here anything. There might be chance your search bar is fixed right now. But for some user after restart maybe there is chance like again it will not work. So please watch all this step. After that you can see here task scheduler library option is there. You have to open, select Microsoft, open this one. You can again select Windows. After that scroll down, you will see one option text service framework. Here might be chance like it will show like status is disabled, right? So what you have to do, first of all you have to enable it, right? And trying to search here. If still it's not working, then just come, click here run, right? And you can also notice here one option is the triggers. So it will ask like when you want to trigger this command. So just double click, select here trigger and again double click. Here you can change at logon or at startup time, whichever you are preferring better. After that you have to also enable this checkbox that is called enable, right? But for some user the might chance like this option will be not visible, maybe it will show like empty. So how you can make this visible? You have to click on import task. You can see I'm having one XML document. You can find this document in the description. After that you need to click on open. See this name I have already there. So what you can see here, one option is there configure for. You can select your operating system like Windows 10, Windows 7, and you can see here trigger option is there. So this trigger is same I just shown you, right? When you want at a startup time or at logon, and you have to click the enable. So if I'm going to add on that time, you can see it is showing like already exist. So 99% chance like your problem will be resolved. But for some user the might chance like still it is not working. So how we can fix? So you have to press Windows plus R. You have to enter regedit, click OK. After that here you need to paste this path. You can check in the description, click OK. Here what you have to do, here you have to select, go to the new and click string value. So here you can give CTF-mon, right? And if you notice the first time we have given the command like c/windows system32 ctfmon.exe. So if you go C drive at this location, you will see ctfmon.exe. If you are unable to see, that means you need to install. So just go to the Google and search how you can install CTF-mon. After that what you can do, either you can insert in this way or you can do like this way also, right? Just click OK. So what will be happen whenever your system will be restart, after that this folder will be always run at runtime. So it will automatically consider like CTF-mon. You have given the path also. So what will be happen? It will take the file from that path and it will run. I hope now your search bar is working fine. So in this video we saw some ways to fix Windows search bar. I hope it will fix your issue. Please like and subscribe Talented Developer. Thank you.